Welcome to day number 19. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. It's Throwback Thursday, so I thought I'd do another magic trick from my childhood. This one is with a newspaper. So you can see the newspaper is empty. Roll it up. Now I'm going to take my glass of milk, pour it into the newspaper, and abracadabra. The milk has disappeared. I've got one more magic trick for you today. I've got my card. I'm going to put it inside the box. Abracadabra. And the card has shrunk. I'm going to put the small card back in the box. Abracadabra. And the card is back to its regular size. Mrs. Takata, a mom at Hope Academy, provided me with today's dad jokes. Why did the melon jump into the lake? Because it wanted to be a watermelon. What does a house wear? A dress. And when should you go to the dentist? At tooth hurty. Thank you, Mrs. Takata. Yesterday, Miss Sadie shared a riddle with us. She said there's a one-story house where everything is yellow. The house is yellow, the furniture is yellow, everything in the house is yellow. What color are the stairs? Miss Sadie, please tell us what the answer to this riddle is.
You know what the answer is? There are no stairs. It's a one-story house. Well, have a happy day learning.
Thank you, Miss Sadie. Today's riddle is, what is something that you can hold without ever touching? My family was watching a sermon of Pastor Carlisle's the other day, and I was really encouraged by it, so I thought I'd play a part of it for you today.
Okay, are you there?
Mr. Carlisle?
And we urge you, brothers, admonish the idle, encourage the faint-hearted, and help the weak. Be patient with them all. There's some practical advice here. We need to be asking each other good questions, pointed questions. First one is, give someone a call and ask them, hey, are you trusting the Lord today? Are you trusting Him? The second question, maybe you text this. Are you aware of how much God loves you? Don't we all need to hear that? When someone calls us or texts us and says, you know what, God loves you. You know how much He loves you? Another thing that we can do, it's super simple, is we can just text each other verses or words of encouragement. We should be asking each other, how is the Lord at work in your life? How do you see the Lord working in your life? The takeaway from this verse, pursue somebody, encourage somebody, be led by the Lord. If the Lord puts someone on your heart, text them, call them, FaceTime them, Zoom them, do whatever you gotta do. Connect however you will, but just stay connected. You never know what spiritual condition someone may be in. So pursue. Pursue. The key word is pursue. Even today, pray that the Lord will bring someone to mind, if He hasn't already, someone that you can be pursuing. God bless you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Carlisle. I would encourage all of you, as I am trying to do myself, to go and pursue someone today.